This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering off the phone and removing the SIM tray so nothing moves while you work. Once done, use a soft surface and anti-static precaution. This prevents scratches and shorts. Now loosen the external screws, gently heat the adhesive if needed, and use a pick and spudger to lift the screen edge just enough to access internal screws. Make sure to document screw positions and take a quick photo. That saves time when you reassemble the parts. Next, disconnect the battery to avoid shorts, safety first. Then, unplug the display and antenna cables so the screen stays out of the way. Remove mounting brackets and screws in order, keeping parts organized, and lift the old bottom assembly out slowly to avoid tearing flex cables. If your replacement lacks small components like rubber gaskets or screw posts, transfer them now. Matching orientation matters. Once components physically match, line up the new assembly and press it into its seating to ensure proper contacts. You finish by reconnecting display and other flex cables, then reconnect the battery so power is back in the circuit. Replace brackets and screws in the reverse order you removed them. Power on and test charging, microphone, speaker, and cellular or Wi-Fi reception to confirm full function. If something fails, make sure to power down, reseat the suspect connector, and inspect for bent pins, torn flex, or trapped debris. That single receipt often fixes contact problems without further disassembly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.